These are your products. These are the many Domino printers that can code them. And for the creation of those products is an environment where their codes are delivered and protected. A world where Domino's end-to-end solution exists to ensure each code is correct. Think of it as a single, closed-loop solution that's more than just a printer, making your life easier and your production line more efficient. It starts with Domino Automation, accessible from almost anywhere, with centralised message content storage and automated print and label management, improving the creation and deployment process. Then our R-Series verification system reviews, verifies and grades every code, inline, configured to location or size, allowing you to be more proactive rather than reactive. Above the production line, the Domino Cloud offers remote diagnostics, troubleshooting and optimisation, with early warnings before unwanted downtime. In other words, we've got your product covered. Purpose-built to standardise your operations, increase productivity, reduce waste, strengthen security, and grow your brand. At Domino, we go beyond the printer, way beyond, offering end-to-end solutions to make sure your product and its code reach their destination. Automation, coding, and inspection backed by service and support, all from the same partner, a trusted, advanced variable data printing expert. Domino, do more.